Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have something super exciting to have my Sephora VIB products that are ordered from the spring sale. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing of everything. This is gonna be my first reactions to everything I purchased. So I already opened it. I mean, I like undid the box, but this is the first time of me opening it. Course, take all these out. Here are my samples. I don't really need to see that. You guys aren't interested in the samples. Yeah! All the goodies! Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Do you guys see that? Ah, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna grab the first thing, the biggest thing. And it's this. I'm super excited. I'm super excited about this one. Oh my gosh. Yes, so this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. This is new. They just released this recently, and when the sale came out, I was like, that's the #1 thing I'm gonna get. That's what I want. Let's see if I can open this. I love Glow Recipe, and I especially love their watermelon line. I think it's just so refreshing. So if this is anything like their mist or their mask or the moisturizer, I'm gonna absolutely love it. I already know. Take this out. Oh my gosh. Packaging is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's so pretty. They had that classic glass to it. The classic packaging, the classic watermelon packaging. Oh yeah. And the smell. Ooh, it smells so nice. I'm gonna... Oh! It looks watery, but it's actually... Oh my gosh, in love. I'm already in love. Super excited to use this. Just put that right back. Oh, and the packaging is so beautiful. Okay, next. Whew. This is my first ever experience with the Sol Janeiro. Yeah, Sol Janeiro line. So this is their Coco Cabana Moisturizing Body Cream Cleanser. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. It's beautiful. I love the packaging. I'm gonna smell it right away. Ooh. Oh. Oh wait, maybe they sealed it up. Yes, they did. Gotta seal it up. Oh. It smells so sweet. There's kids talking if you can hear that in the background. It smells really sweet, a little too sweet for my liking. It smells like vanilla-y and coconutty. Almost like a pina colada smell. Which you get pina colada vibes from the brand anyways. Excited about this. It is a body wash, like body cleanser, so hopefully the smell doesn't stick like to your skin so much or anything like that. But so far so good. Okay, next to going off of the same line. I'll throw this down here. Ooh. These are so little. These are a lot smaller than I thought they were gonna be. I knew they were like the travel sizes, but these are little. These are really little. This is the Sol Janeiro Brazilian Hojia shampoo and conditioner. Super cute. It's coming up really yellow on camera, which they are yellow, like my shirt. But I feel like they have like a little bit of an orangey tint. I'm excited about these. I wonder if they have a similar smell as the body cleanser, even though it's a different line. Come on. Oh. I like the smell. It's not sweet. It's not like a super sweet smell like the body cleanser. It does have a vanilla scent to it, but it's not super strong. It's actually quite pleasant. And I'm a smell person. Like if something smells weird, if it's too sweet, if it's too like herby, I don't really like those kind of smells. I like subtle smells or even non-fragrance. Oh yeah, it smells good. I'm excited to try these. I wish they were a little bit bigger. I think both of these together, it came in a set. Maybe it was like 24, 25. Let me check. Oh, it doesn't say. It doesn't say, but that's okay. I guess we'll just check later how much it is and I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, I got these. Okay, next is this Clinique Broad Spectrum SPF 50. This is a mineral sunscreen and that's what drew me towards it. I have a few sunscreens, but they're either too heavy, too like light, or a chemical sunscreen. I'm trying to stay away from chemical sunscreens. Now I'm trying to go towards the mineral. This has zinc oxide of 4%, which is actually a little low, and then titanium dioxide 6.3%. And this is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I'm a little disappointed, but let's just hope it has like a nice feel to it. Oh, it's light. It's really light. I like the lightness of it. No smell. Ooh, I think this is gonna work out well for both of us. It does have like that white sheen. Maybe if I rub it in, it'll be okay. Yeah. So far, so good. It's just so little. It's just so little, but it's okay. It's super cute though. It's so bright. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to do better product shots. Yeah. I think that was it. That was like skincare and hair care related. I'm gonna go into the makeup and beauty. I got 3 beauty items. Yeah. First one is this Lilah B Luxe Lip Mini Duo. So excited. I've seen so many people use Lilah B and I have not tried them at all, so this is my first Lilah B product. These little lippies. What color are they in? Oh, Be Remarkable and Be Elegant. Super pretty packaging. I'm gonna have to tear it up. This is how these look like. They're super cute. Super tiny. I love it though. I'll do a little swatchy swatch for you guys. This one is Be Elegant, pretty color. Okay, and this one is Be Remarkable. Ooh. Both are really pretty colors. I definitely gear towards Be Elegant, the more pink one. These are gorgeous. Packaging is gorgeous. Yeah. So excited about these. Put these little babies back where they came from. I got the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, her new cream blushes. And I got the color Rose Latte, which wasn't the original color that I wanted. I actually wanted a different color, but they were all sold out and it made me so sad. Wow, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Looks like this. Whoa, it's like really bright. It's really bright right now. It was really bright. Hopefully it's a little better. And my eyelash is coming off, so please ignore that. Okay, but yes, this is the Fenty Beauty cream blush. So pretty. In the color Rose Latte. Ooh, very pretty. I love how it has like a tiny mirror. I don't want to touch it yet. I want to swatch it for you guys, but I'm sorry, I don't want to touch it yet because I'm crazy like that. Maybe I'll do like a swatch for my Instagram. So if you want to see a swatch of this, go check out my Instagram because I can't touch it. It's so cute. And I'm gonna put it back in its little boxy box. last but not least, I got this blush palette by Jouer. But this is the blush palette in Blush Bouquet Rose Gold. The two colors are Marigold and Rose Petal. Hopefully they didn't break. Did it break? They're kind of messy everywhere. Oh, they didn't break, but it's kind of like all dusty. Such a pretty color, but yeah, it's so bright you can't really see. There you go. These colors are so beautiful. I love it. And it has a little mirror on there too. I just love the packaging of this. Like, how gorgeous is that? How pretty. It's so bright. I'm so sorry. It's literally so bright you can't really see anything. Super cute. I'm so excited about this. Okay guys, that is the end of my unboxing. That's all I got from the Sephora VIB sale. If you guys have any questions about the products, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below, or you can go on my Instagram. I'll most likely be posting more about them on my Instagram. Comment me there, shoot me a DM there, all that good stuff, what my thoughts are. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was so fun to just show you guys my reactions to all the things that I ordered. Let me know your thoughts. I really appreciate just you guys watching my videos. I do all things skincare on my Instagram at rachelxher, so please check me out there. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.